Hi y'all, so today we're going to be making sweet potato corn cakes. For this we have some sweet potatoes, we got some butter, we got some buttermilk, we got some baking powder, we have some orange marmalade, some salt, some cornmeal, and some flour. But before we get to making this, we are on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. So we need about a cup of mashed sweet potato. So we're just going to start by peeling our sweet potatoes. Then we're just going to go ahead and dice up our sweet potato. You want uniform thickness as close as possible so they cook at the same time. And then we're just going to go ahead and boil these for however long it takes them, where you can stick a fork in it smoothly and it comes out. Just like if you were doing boiled mashed potatoes. We're going to do the same thing here. Just going to go ahead and boil them so we can get them mashed. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so our sweet potatoes are cooked. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in a couple slices of butter. It's about 2.5 tablespoons. You can use a little more, you could use a little less. This isn't the only butter going in this. For this recipe, we only need 1 cup of that mashed sweet potato. I did more just because I felt like having some sweet potato later. But we're going to go ahead and drop in a cup of our buttermilk. We have 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Let's go ahead and give that a quick stir. Now we're going to drop in a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of our marmalade. And go ahead again and just give that a quick stir. Then we're going to take a cup of our cornmeal. Then we're going to take 1.25 cups of our flour. Now this is a little more country style. We're going to do heaping, I just got a tablespoon, regular old tablespoon. We're just going to do heaping spoonfuls. Like I said, this is a little more country style. You want to leave about 2 inches between them. We've gone ahead and greased this cookie sheet as well. Now we're going to go ahead and cook these for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees until they're done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have them, some sweet potato corn cakes. They're good to just eat, you know, maybe put some of that marmalade on them as well. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.